Okay, example 2 from page 215 asks us to write the polynomial in standard form and identify the zeros and the x-intercepts. So the polynomial we're given is f of x is equal to x plus 2 times x minus the square root of 3i and x plus the square root of 3i. So this is its linear factorization form. So what we want to do now is multiply it together to get standard form, and then from there we'll identify the zeros and the x-intercepts. So the easiest way to multiply polynomials that have complex roots is to multiply the complex conjugates together, because there is a way to do that. You get the first term squared, so we're going to get x squared, and then you get the plus, it's always plus, the last term squared without the I, so it'll be square root of 3 squared, which is 3. So then all we have to do is multiply these together, and when we do that, we get x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. So that's standard form. Now we're asked to identify the zeros. The zeros are going to come from the factored form. So the zeros, there are 3 of them. They're going to be negative 2, square root of 3i, and negative square root of 3i. And then because only the negative 2 is a real number, that's the only one that will be an x-intercept. The other 2 will not show up on the graph. So the only x-intercept is at negative 2, 0.